This is a short introduction to the new features in the latest version of our Safyr product, Release 7. The two main features I want to highlight in this video are 1. The ability to control exactly which table fields are part of a subject area. This is particularly relevant to any project where you need to identify personal information, so any GDPR or PII type project. But it's a powerful feature for any project where you need to filter out some of the fields in each table. And 2, reporting features for taking metadata out of Safyr and making it available to a wider audience using Excel. I'm going to use an SAP system that's already been reverse engineered into Safyr for this demo. As you can see, there are over 98,000 base tables in this system. The challenge for any project wanting to work with so much data is how to scope this massive tables into a manageable number. I'm going to search for any table that contains a field with the string birth in its description and has a row count of at least 1. In other words, tables that actually have some data. That brings the 98,000 tables down to just 29. Now, I want to make a subject area from these tables. A subject area is a means to group tables of interest, and with this new version of Safyr, we can now control the subject area content down to the field level. Having selected all 29 tables, I'm going to choose an option which will make what we call marked fields out of each field with the string containing birth. So a new subject area is going to be created. I need to give it a name, and I can also document what this subject area is for. I can drill into any table in this new subject area to see all the fields in that table. But I'm going to subset these fields to show only the marked fields. I can now see a list of all the fields in this table containing the string birth. If I select an individual field, I can see the definition. This is another useful piece of information we extract from SAP. Now, having arrived at a set of tables that contain fields about birth information, I want to disseminate these to a wider audience, and Excel is a good vehicle for doing this. So I'm going to export the subject area using our new metadata report feature. I can select which objects I want to include in the report, and in this case I'm only going to include table fields. For each object, you can also control which properties are included in the report. And this is how it looks in Excel. This demo has used an SAP system, but these new features are also available in the other packages that Safyr supports.